Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I am going to talk about how can you log out of your Binance account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to do that, just simply open your Binance application, and after opening the Binance application, you will get to see a bunch of options. Now you just simply have to tap into the profile icon into the top left corner. Tap there and then you will get to select so many options into here. You just simply have to tap into your user profile and then you will get the option of logout. Tap to log out and then your account will successfully get logged out from your Binance. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.